The Arizona sky lang puting maray. Yellow, oh kalma. Kalmang animal ka. He is always busy. What are you doing? Wow! So, may naririnig ako guys na kumakanta doon. So, pupuntahan natin. So, tara. Puntahan natin ang kumakanta. Sakali mang magdusa, ito'y aking matitiis. Mahirap man o maginagpis, baka sakaling mahal. Mayroon ng ibang minamahal. So yan guys ang siya ang aming dito, singer. Siya ang dating member ng Hagibis Band. At kung sakali mang magdusa, ito'y aking matitiis. Maghirap man o maghinagpis, baka sakaling mahal mo pa ako. So ayan guys, ito ang mga dito guys, mga gold sa kabitin. Yan, nakita ninyo. Pwede mag-request ng songs. Can I request the ano ba yung kanta binano? The Arizona Sky, Arizona Sky. The Arizona sky lang puting maray. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire, burning in my soul. The California King. Eh, iba na pala yung pinakanta ko, California King. Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time I kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want us to last, need you by my side. Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time I kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heart beat so? I can't let you go, want you in my life.
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I can fly.
Parang gusto ko bing magpahaba ng bangs. Para kamukha ko na si Bangs Garcia. Today, nasira na naman ang aking mga bangs. Ang mahal pa namang pagpagawa nito kay Rica Reyes. Oh, kalma. Kalmang animal ka. Hi guys. So ayan, meet my... Tumingin ka dito pa. You look so handsome. Huwag mo itago ang iyong ang iyong kagwapuhan. Pakita mo ang iyong ang iyong ulo. Meet my Bimbol Rocco. He is the Bimbol Rocco of Willie and Sons. Abe, look at Herbie. You're so pretty. Can you please look at me? So ayan guys, malapit na kaming mag take a rest. Ito ang aming isang busy. He is always busy. What are you doing? you doing something good. Oh, calma. Calma, calma. Oh, kalma. Kalmang animal ka. Kapointed nose ko pala pag naka-side view ako eh. Mariusep. Ang taas ng aking nose.
Ben, o Ben.
Oh, Ben.